Hi, I'm Ahmad, Sales and Application Engineer from Fluke Electronics. Today, I'm going to unbox Fluke 87-5 Industrial True-rms Multimeter. Okay, let's go. Okay, so after we unbox, here is the thing inside the box. So there's brochures and also user manual over here. There's a TL75 probe, 2 crocodile clip, a thermocouple, and jack plug, 1 set, and also Fluke 87-5 multimeter. Fluke 87-5 Industrial Digital Multimeter is an improved standard of troubleshooting and measurement. It's a medium size and less than 1 kilogram in weight. It has a CATIV 1000 volt and CATIV 600 volts rating. Fluke 87-5 Industrial Digital Multimeter have a true RMS and current for non-linear measurement. It also has a unique support of function of low pass filter for accurate voltage. This is a simulations of 240 volt. It also has a built-in temperature function, allowed to take the temperature with supply thermocouple. So here we insert the thermocouple, turn on until the temperature and press the yellow button. As you can see, there is a changes of temperature on the screen. So if we let go from the surface of the cup, it will changes the temperature. For more information, you can contact us at www.firmtest.com.